Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel Study with Us 3040. So today we are going to learn about the Excel chart. So firstly, we have to add the data which we want to represent in Excel chart. So we want to represent the marketing campaign result. So we have the brands which are located in different places or different countries, and we are selling in millions of euros. So first we have brand A and brand B and brand C. Okay, we are selling it. We have the different location. First location is London, second is Paris, Rome, Madrid, Vienna, and Berlin. Then we will total them how much we earn from these brands. So 23.5 in brand A, and then we have 13.8 and 17.3, and we have in Madrid 14.5 or 8. Okay, then we have the Vienna 7.2 and Berlin 29.5. Okay, then we gonna add the sales in other brands: 12.3, 8.1, 4.5, 6.8, 4.2, and 21.4. Then the other one is 15, 5.5, 6.9. These are the cells. 2.7, 1.6, and 11.1. Now we will add the brand A cells. Okay, and now we have to add brand B and brand B. Sum them in a column wise. Okay, column wise we are add them. Now do some formatting in the data, bold it and bold it also. Select them which you want to bold them and draw the borders where you want to apply the borders. Okay, now it looks good. And now you select the data which you represent in a chart. Select the column chart and don't select the total. Okay, just select the locations and brands and sales which you earn. Okay, so now change the chart title. Okay, if you want the title which you add in the data, so you good to go. If you want to change it, so you must to change it. I want to add the marketing campaign results. Okay, so then okay, click on it and do some formatting of the title. Okay, so we have the legends in the bottom, so align in the right corner. Okay, and then we have vertical axis. If you want to add the vertical axis and the um, landscape axis, so you can add the axis. If you don't want to add the axis, so skip it. Click on it and copy it and add in the vertical axis. Okay. Okay, add it and give it some formatting. Okay, these numbers which are aligned the left side, these are represent the cells of the campaign. Okay, so if you want the horizontal axis in your chart, you may add it. So now I want to add the vertical line and horizontal line. So these are the label position next to the axis. Okay, these are the legends which we are lying in the right corner. So now I want to add the vertical line in it next to the axis. Okay, so click on it and give it the black color. Okay, now I want to add the horizontal line, okay, next to the axis. So click on it and give it the color. So we have the horizontal axis, write down it, and we represent the cities. So bold it and do some formatting of it and add the black color. So nice. Now we are so I want to add the measure type which are cross. Okay, tick marks, I want to add the tick marks. So measure type in the cross, I don't want to the minor type, and click on the vertical axis line and click on the cross. Okay, now look at it, it looks better. Now I want to change the grid lines color, add the light black color in it, not the dark one. Click on it and you may go to the light version of the black. Okay, it looks so good. Now okay, so I want to the match the lines of the horizontal axis lines and the vertical axis line with the grid lines. So change it, the color. Okay, and the lighter version of the black. Okay, click on it. So it look good. I want to the formatting in the legends. Click on it and do it the black color and bold it. So click on it and bold it of the vertical axis. Now we have the outline and it, if you want to the add the outline in the chart title, you may add it. If you not, do not go to it. So this is the complete chart which we are presenting marketing the data in it. So I want to change the columns which are aligned in the chart. So I gonna click on it and do some formatting. I want to add the fill color, which are darker blue or navy blue, you may say. Okay, now we add the red bright color in the second column, and you may add the green, parrot green color in it. Okay, it looks so good. So this is the complete look of the chart. So here the question, what we are representing a chart, we are representing the marketing campaign result, and their sale is in millions of euros, and we have different location which are the cities, and we have 3 brands and sum them in the column wise. Okay, and it is represent that how much we sell out the products which we have in the brands. So if you have any data which you want to add in the chart or represent in a chart, so you may use the Excel and go to the insert tab and make the chart of it, and you're good to go. So I hope you like my video. If you like my video, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for newly updated videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.